Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants filled with chocolate. First, let's prepare our dough. Using pre-made puff pastry makes this process much easier. Lightly flour your work surface and gently unroll the pastry. Roll it out slightly to achieve a uniform thickness, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch. This ensures even baking and a perfect flaky texture for your delicious chocolate treats. Now, let's add the delicious chocolate filling and shape our croissants. Cut your rolled-out dough into triangles, each about 4 inches wide at the base. Place a small piece of your favorite chocolate, like a chocolate batten or a few chips, at the wider end of each triangle. Carefully roll the dough from the wide end towards the point, creating that classic croissant shape. Gently curve the ends to form a crescent. Next, we'll prepare our croissants for baking. Place your shaped croissants on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each. Let them proof in a warm spot for about 30 to 45 minutes. This helps them rise and become airy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and flaky. Once your croissants are out of the oven, they're almost ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, you can brush them with a light sugar glaze while they're still warm, which adds a lovely shine and a hint of sweetness. A dusting of powdered sugar also makes them look incredibly appealing. Serve these warm, flaky, chocolate-filled croissants right away for the ultimate treat. Enjoy your homemade delights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.